Hello! Today, I would like to introduce a password security sharing tool to you, which can be accessed directly through a web link. Its biggest feature is that it can create temporary links that will be automatically destroyed to securely transmit sensitive information. For example, we often need to work with foreign IT teams to maintain the firewall together. We need to update passwords regularly for security, but it is not safe to share the password directly in the body of the email. This tool can be used at this time. First, open the browser and enter the URL. There are two options at this time. One is to enter a strong password set in advance in the text box, or use the password generator it comes with. Click the icon on the right to increase password complexity. You can set access restrictions below. Days means the valid days of the link. Views is the maximum number of accesses. Default is once into days. Check these two options directly. There is also a password lock. The recipient will only be able to see the contents of your text box. If they enter the password here, click Push It. Generate a sharing link and send it to each other. Select the Earth icon to switch languages. Finally, check the page opened by the recipient. Enter the password you set earlier according to the prompt. For security, the password is blurred. Just copy it. The number of views left will be prompted below. The recipient can also choose to delete the link directly. After confirming receipt, the link will be automatically destroyed when opened. Sinokap always focuses on information security. Continuously select highly practical security compliance tools for you. Don't forget to follow us to get more practical IT tips. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Sinokap is your best business partner. We make IT simple.